Welcome back to Spa Sales Queen. In this video I wanted to talk about a new look. When is the last time in your spa or salon that you have changed something around? Whether it's interior design, whether it's a new treatment on the treatment menu, whether it's a new range of products, a new range, anything. Just something new, fresh towels, fresh plants, fresh anything, a new look. So this whole video is inspired by my new hair color. And it got me thinking of when's the last time you have actually just freshened things up, and why is that so important in a business setting? So if you're new to my channel, you're very welcome. My name's Kira. I'm a stay-at-home mom, and I used to be a former spa therapist. I had my own practice. I did reflexology and holistic treatments, and now I like to promote ethical sales. I do sales tips, sales training, and motherhood content and level up mindset content as well, all here on my channel. So I have a big back catalogue of other videos for you to check out. I also talk about spa reviews and spa treatments and what to get now that I am a client. I have a great understanding of being in the industry and now also being a client and enjoying treatments. So if you want to learn more about my sales mentorship program, I can do one-on-one sales training. I can help if you're a spa manager. I can help train your staff as well, because I went from no sales, absolutely none, not being a natural salesperson, to really enjoying learning that skill and being able to be a top seller and selling upgrading treatments, getting clients to come back in, finding clients, and also like selling skincare and body care and holistic products in general. So if you're interested in that, contact me on Instagram. You can write me a message there or write in the comments below and I will get in touch with you guys. So one of the main reasons to look at revamping your brand or freshening up your aesthetic look of your clinic, your makeup counter, your beauty counter, your hair salon, nail salon, or holistic clinic is one of the main reasons, a great reason, is staff morale. It keeps therapists engaged in the job. It keeps you, if you're a solo esthetician, excited, enthusiastic, and you will interact better with clients, and all this newfound excitement and pride in your work and interest in your work will boost creativity and overall boost sales. Even if you're like a solo esthetician or a beauty therapist, anybody that runs their own clinic, like a holistic therapist as well, Reiki, reflexology, acupuncture, all these things. Why is it important to like change up your website, change up your logo, swap it up, a little bit of branding, new colors, new interiors, fresh treatments, new training for yourself? Have you updated something in the last while? So why is this important? Because it sends the message that you care. It's like being into level up, all that level up philosophy of obviously appreciating and valuing what you have, but also striving for more. Why? Because it just sends that message that you care. You care to keep things fresh for your clients. You care to, it'll attract new clients basically, and it lets clients know that you're thinking of their experience, that you're thinking of the customer experience. You are like, everybody wants to see something new and fresh and get that excitement. It just for example, I drove past a salon and it's been the same for years. They painted on the outside dull dark colors, it just doesn't, the same poster, like I've seen that for like close to several years now, that local salon. So I think they do hair and nails, and it's just the same. Like, when's the last time I have a whole video all about get clients in the door, literally. So what that's all about is like the outside exterior and how that can attract clients and attract new people. That's your advertising, that's literally branding, everything. Like, somebody can come and just see the outside of your building and feel welcomed or get more treatments because they see what you have, like the treatment menu. I talk all about like do you have something to cover their head if it's raining, like a canopy? Do you have anything that like feng shui basis, as in what how welcoming is your exterior of your premises? Even if you're renting a treatment room or you're mobile, your exterior of your premises is your business cards and your toweling, if you have control over that, or whatever you have control, your presentation. So why is that? So that salon, for example, it's so like the same basically. It looks the same for years. So what that message you're sending is that you don't care, that you don't have attention to detail. Like, it's just sends this message of dull, mundane, the same. I think in beauty is so competitive. Like, people can get their eyebrows done in like the local shopping centre now. Like, what is going to distinguish you from the next salon client? Or they can get treatments done in the drugstore now. Like the pharmacy, it's readily available everywhere. So if you have a premise or a salon or your mobile esthetician, what's going to work to stand out? So constantly refreshing your look, your exterior, your like logo. Try out new products sometimes as well. So if you're in like a hotel spa or a resort spa, what can you do to like draw people in that's new? Can you do some kind of new display and change that up seasonally, and put that on your social media? Is there anything you can change about it with the social media? Do something new, like interviews with your staff, or room tours, or tours of like the pool area. Something new, something different, something fun and exciting. It adds this element of like you're creating a little bit of like excitement and buzz around the place. People always want to be part of something. You want to know that you have like spa team, or even if you're on your own, that you're thinking of the clients, that you and the clients make it like you're the clients and the clients are your community. So what's new, what's happening? Have even a page on your website that says news or updates or new things. Oh, we've tried this new treatment. Like, are you keeping up with the latest beauty trends? It's a lot of work, yes, I get that, I know, but it's like, if I'm faced with the option as a client, it's my hard-earned cash, and I can pick the dull same salon that I tend to overlook because it's just the same, it's not catching my eye anymore. Like, our attention nowadays is really gone minimal. Or do I go to the salon that like has a bit of buzz? Okay, it could be a bit cheesy, but it has like beautiful decor and flowers on the outside, and like it's a buzz on Instagram, and they do VIP nights, and they're doing new treatments. Have you heard of the latest this thing? Or they're constantly changing, and it's just this forward thinking mentality. It's this like pride in your work, pride in your the appearance, of pride in how your salon is coming across. Another fantastic reason to do a makeover in your clinic is it will give already established clients, loyal clients, the opportunity to switch it up as well, to go and try something new. It's like you have something new to talk about. You can get all your staff to be chatting and saying, oh, this is the latest treatment. It's not just the treatment of the month. We actually got new training and this new treatment in, and would you like to try it? It opens a dialogue. It encourages like clients who get the same thing done all the time to try something new. So for example, there was this new keratin base coat that you can get for gel nails, and that's like exciting. It's not just a shellac gel finish, it's like something else that can be added in, and it's about the health of your nails. So it's like you're listening and responding to the clients. Oh, you're a loyal customer, and we've heard you say that the gel nails were drying out your nails, so we want to try something new for you. We did some research, and this is the latest on the market. And clients feel valued, they feel like a VIP, and they'll be more loyal, and you'll attract new clients because they have something new to tell their clients, their own friends, and people who ask about the treatment, especially if you do more visual treatments. And my latest, most updated course for sales training and sales tips and the correct mindset, all those mindset shifts, and then practical advice. The self-study course is called Reign Over Your Profits. So that's available here on YouTube. It's a video course. It's like a sales presentation as well. It outlines mindset shifts. It outlines practical, actual tips and scripts on what to say to clients, and literally gives you the tools to go ahead and increase your sales when the next client arrives, literally straight away. So go check that out, and for a limited time it's available on YouTube, but I will be packaging that up and updating it and enhancing it, and we will be selling that. So check it out before it gets taken down. Well, I hope I gave you plenty of food for thought there. Write in the comments below and share some wisdom with other estheticians, massage therapists, holistic practitioners, what your tips are and what you've changed up lately. And if you find this type of content encouraging, give me a thumbs up on the video. Let me know over DM private messaging on Instagram if you want to get in touch about increasing your sales volume and your retail and your rebooking and getting those clients back in the door. And I wish you all the best business success on your holistic journey, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.